Hello, hi, namaskar. I am Rishabh Chatterjee and in this video we'll be taking a quick look of the Aura. So you might have noticed that I missed the Aura in between when it was launched. So I thought I'll give you a quick walk around of the vehicle. So as you can see, this is a brown color variant. Front we have the projector headlights, fog lights, front profile of the car. So actually I didn't plan to make this video, but since I saw this car, I thought I'll give you a quick overview of the car. So you can see we have alloy wheels, side profile, so the main thing about the Aura is it's a compact sedan. So you can see the back design is very different and unique. So back tail lamps, if I show you, very different. Aura badging, Hyundai. Again we have on the bumpers this reflectors. Side profile. Now let me show you the interiors. So this is the top model, so we also get this keyless entry. This is the door, all power window controls, dashboard, steering wheel, all the controls. Also has cruise control, as you can see. This is the speedometer with it's like a part digital, part analog. Music system, touch screen, automatic climate control, manual gear knob. There you can see the USB for charging. This is how the seats look. It's an integrated one. Start stop system. So that was the dashboard. Now let's show you the back seat. So this is how the back door looks and back seat. Let me give you a quick. So back we get adjustable headrest. This is the handrest with cup holders. Rear AC vent, and this is how the dashboard looks from the back seat. There we have one interior lighting. Here also one interior lighting. And yeah, that was a quick look at the Aura. So if you find this video informative, it was a quick look. I didn't share too much information, but I just thought that I should, if I saw this car, I should share it with you too. So if you find this, you like this small video, don't forget to hit on that like button. Share your thoughts in the comment section and also like this video. Follow me on Instagram at @rcmediahouse. This is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. And that was the Aura.